Hey guys, Brad here from Capital Plumbing again. A lot of questions we get asked is how can I improve the lifespan of my hot water unit? Well, very simple answer to that is change the sacrificial anode. What's the sacrificial anode, you say? Is this. That is exactly what it says. It sacrifices itself to repair the inside of your tank. Now here's an old hot water unit one of the boys has pulled out from another house that's burst. So if we just go ahead and have a look at the old sacrificial anode in this unit, just by popping the lid and pulling it out. If we can see, look at that. There's nothing left of it. Now, if this customer just went ahead and changed the sacrificial anode a couple of years ago, they would have probably doubled the life of the hot water unit. When should you change the sacrificial anode? We recommend it around the 5-year mark. How do you know how old your hot water unit is? Very easy. There is a compliance plate on the side of every hot water unit. Right here. Now this one's fairly old and it's rubbed off, but there will be a manufacturer's date on that hot water unit, and that will tell you when it was manufactured.